Hi there, my name is Joey and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automation in Robosell to boost your abandoned checkout recovery on Shopify. So first, head over to automation section in Robosell where you will see the pre-built workflow. And if you have already set up your brand assets, including your logo, and then the workflow is ready to go. However, if you want to make adjustments, then I will guide you step by step to go through that process. So in order to adjust the timing of messages, you can click on the clock icon to make your adjustments. And Robosell allows you to set up dynamic coupons based on order amount or item numbers in the order. And this feature helps merchants save on discount costs and incentivizes customers to complete their purchases. And to edit the discount info, you can click on the coupon icon. And please note that Robosell will automatically pull usable discounts from your store and list those discounts in the selector. And you can consider adding tires based on your store's average order price to achieve the best conversion rate. And for SMS messages, you can directly edit the messages and insert variables by clicking on the tags. And then Robosell will automatically replace those variables with the customer's name, the site's name, and the call to action link when sending out the messages. And for email content, you can use Robosell's drag and drop editor to create your own content. And by default, Robosell generates a series of email content based on the theme you choose, and you can also use unique email blocks such as review and Facebook post blocks to enrich your email content. And you can select reviews or Facebook posts from your account or create your own content. So Robosell has already done 90% of the job for you, so after some simple adjustments, your store will be ready to go on abandoned checkout recovery. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you are interested in learning more about how to recover more money from your Shopify store, please subscribe to my channel and let's grow together.